Why do some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? You work hard, you try to save, yet financial freedom still feels out of reach. It's frustrating, isn't it? But here's the truth. Most people chase money the wrong way, and that's exactly why they never find it. The wealthy think differently. They operate by a secret that isn't taught in schools, isn't shared by society, and isn't what you've been told your whole life. But once you understand it, everything changes. Money starts flowing in ways you never imagined. Opportunities appear where there were once dead ends. And today, I'm going to reveal that secret to you. Not theories, not wishful thinking. Real, practical steps that can shift your financial reality starting right now. So, if you're ready to break free from the struggle and finally unlock the wealth you deserve, stay with me until the end. And before we dive in, hit that subscribe button because the knowledge you're about to receive is life-changing. Let's begin. You've been told a lie about money your entire life. A lie so deep that it controls how you think, how you work, and how much wealth you allow yourself to have. And the worst part? You probably believe it without even realizing it. What's the lie? Work hard, save money, and you'll get rich. Sounds logical, right? It's what your parents, teachers, and society drilled into you. But look around. How many people do you know who work endlessly, save every penny, and still struggle financially? Probably most of them. Because the truth is, hard work alone doesn't create wealth. If it did, construction workers, nurses, and teachers would be the richest people on the planet. The wealthy play by different rules. They don't trade time for money. They create systems that make money for them. They don't focus on saving pennies. They focus on multiplying dollars. They don't just work hard. They work smart, making every action count toward building financial freedom. Right now, think about your beliefs around money. Were you raised to think that money is scarce? That rich people are greedy? That you have to struggle to earn a living? Those beliefs are keeping you stuck. But the good news is, you can change them. Here's your first step. Write down one belief about money that's been holding you back. Then replace it with this new truth. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. Say it. Feel it. Let it sink in. And if this is already shifting your mindset, drop a comment below. What's one money belief you grew up with? Let's expose the lies together. Your mind is the most powerful wealth-building tool you have. But here's the problem. Most people use it against themselves without even realizing it. Every thought you have about money is shaping your financial reality. If you constantly think, I can't afford that, or making money is hard, your mind accepts it as truth. It starts filtering your world through that belief, making sure you see struggle instead of opportunity, lack instead of abundance. But wealthy people think differently. They train their minds to see possibilities where others see obstacles. They don't ask, can I afford this? They ask, how can I afford this? That one shift alone forces their brain to look for creative solutions, to find ways to generate income instead of feeling powerless. And the science backs it up. Your subconscious mind is like a GPS. It takes you where your dominant thoughts tell it to go. If you constantly think about financial stress, guess what? You'll keep experiencing it. But if you start directing your mind toward wealth, your actions, decisions, and even the people you attract will begin to shift in your favor. So here's what you do. Every morning, before your feet even touch the ground, ask yourself, how can I create wealth today? Not just earn, create. Say it out loud. Let your brain get to work on finding the answer. If this is opening your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Because the truth is, wealth starts in the mind long before it shows up in your bank account. Money is energy. It flows, moves, and responds to how you think and feel about it. But if you're constantly afraid of losing it, if you hold on too tightly, you actually block it from coming to you. Think about water. If you try to grab it with a clenched fist, it slips through your fingers. But if you keep your hand open, the water stays and flows freely. Money works the same way. When you operate from a place of fear, I have to save every penny or I'll run out, you create a scarcity mindset. And what does scarcity do? It attracts more lack. You start seeing bills instead of opportunities, limitations instead of possibilities. Wealthy people don't hoard money, they circulate it. They understand that money loves movement. When they spend, they do it with trust, not fear. When they invest, they do it with confidence, not hesitation. That's why it keeps coming back to them. So here's your challenge. This week, give money away, not out of guilt, but out of abundance. Tip extra, donate, buy a coffee for someone. And as you do it, say to yourself, money flows to me effortlessly. The more I give, the more I receive. Watch what happens. And if you've ever felt afraid to spend money, type abundance is mine in the comments. Let's start shifting that energy right now. Look at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Their mindset, their habits, their beliefs about money. Whether you realize it or not, they are shaping your financial future. If they see wealth as impossible, if they complain about money, if they live paycheck to paycheck without a plan to change, guess what? That energy is rubbing off on you. Wealthy people understand this. They surround themselves with other successful, growth-minded individuals. They seek out mentors, join masterminds, and engage in conversations that elevate their thinking. Because here's the truth. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. You can have all the ambition in the world, but if you're constantly surrounded by people who reinforce limitations, it will hold you back. Now, this doesn't mean you cut people off or look down on them. It simply means you must be intentional about who influences your mindset. Start following successful people online. Read books by millionaires. Listen to podcasts that expand your vision. Because the more you expose yourself to wealth-conscious thinking, the more your mind will adapt to that reality. Here's what you do today. Identify one successful person, someone who has the financial freedom you desire. Follow their content, study their mindset, and learn how they think about money. Success leaves clues. Start picking them up. And if you already have someone in your life who inspires you to think bigger, tag them in the comments. Let them know their mindset is making an impact. Your subconscious mind controls 95% of your daily actions, and that includes your financial reality. Right now, whether you realize it or not, your income level, your spending habits, even the opportunities you notice, all of it is being driven by the beliefs buried deep in your subconscious. Think about it. If you grew up hearing money doesn't grow on trees or rich people are greedy, those ideas didn't just disappear. They became part of your programming, shaping how you feel about wealth. And if deep down you believe money is hard to get or that success isn't for people like you, no matter how hard you work, you'll keep hitting invisible limits. But here's the good news. You can reprogram your mind for wealth. Just like a computer, you can rewrite the code. The key? Repetition and emotion. Wealthy people condition their minds daily. They flood their subconscious with thoughts of abundance until it becomes their default setting. Here's what you do. Every morning and every night, say this out loud. I am a magnet for wealth. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. Don't just say it. Feel it. Picture yourself living in abundance. See the money in your account. Feel the freedom it brings. Because the more your subconscious believes it, the more it will shape your actions to make it real. If you're ready to shift your financial reality, hit that like button and commit to this practice for the next 21 days. Let's reprogram your mind for wealth, starting now. Relying on one source of income is one of the biggest financial risks you can take. Yet, that's exactly what most people do. They have a single paycheck, a single job, and if something happens to it, their entire financial world collapses. Wealthy people don't live like that. They understand that financial security comes from multiple streams of income, money flowing in from different directions, so they're never dependent on just one source. Think about it like a table. If a table has only one leg, it's unstable. But if it has 4, 5, or even more legs, it stands strong no matter what happens. That's how you need to build your income. And the best part? You don't need millions to start. You just need to shift your mindset from how do I earn to how do I create. There are countless ways to build extra income: freelancing, online businesses, investments, digital products, rental income, affiliate marketing. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Maybe you start by turning a skill into a service. Maybe you create content around something you love. Maybe you begin by investing a small amount each month. The key is to start now. Here's your action step. Pick one income stream you want to build. Just one. Research it today. Take the first step, no matter how small. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about building smart financial systems over time. Drop a comment below. What's one income stream you want to start this year? Let's get the ideas flowing. You now know the secrets that wealthy people live by, how they think, how they attract money, how they build unstoppable financial systems. But here's the truth. None of this matters unless you take action. Knowledge alone doesn't create wealth. You can watch 100 videos, read every book, and dream about financial freedom. But if you don't apply what you've learned, nothing changes. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Most people stay stuck because they wait. They wait for the right time. They wait until they feel ready. But waiting is the biggest trap. There is no perfect moment. There is only now. Wealthy people don't wait, they move. They take imperfect action. They start before they have all the answers. That's why they succeed. So, here's your challenge. Pick one thing from this video and apply it today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Whether it's reprogramming your money mindset, expanding your network, starting a second income stream, just do it. Because the only thing standing between you and wealth is action. If this video has shifted your perspective, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe now for more powerful lessons like this, and share this with someone who's ready to transform their financial future. Your wealth journey starts today. Take the first step, right now. Now you see the truth. Wealth isn't about luck, and it's not just about hard work. It's about how you think, the beliefs you hold, and the actions you take every single day. The people who break free financially aren't the ones who wait. They're the ones who decide. They decide to change their mindset. They decide to take action. They decide that struggling isn't their destiny. But most people, they'll watch this video, feel inspired for a moment, then go back to the same habits, the same beliefs, and the same financial struggles. Don't let that be you. Be the one who applies this. Be the one who proves that transformation is possible. Right now, take action. Drop a comment with the biggest insight you got from this video. Share it with someone who needs this message. And most importantly, subscribe now so you don't miss what's coming next. Your financial breakthrough starts today. The only question is, will you take the first step?